Welcome back. This is a highly requested video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Hit that little red button down below. Today, we are going to do nothing but closed mouth burping. I suck at closed mouth burping because it's like the air just wants to come out. I don't know if those counted as closed mouth burps. If they did, leave a comment below. If not, still leave a comment below. I don't know how to do closed mouth burps. I just know how to burp really loud. So if you have any tips or pointers, leave them down below. Thank you for watching. Leave me more idea suggestions because yo girl will take them. I'm running out. Thank you for watching.